Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're making eggplant capri. Let's get started. Start off with your eggplant cut into equal slices. In a bowl, add in your olive oil, balsamic vinegar, salt, black pepper, and stir. Next, begin to coat your eggplants on both sides. Pop them in the oven for about 5 to 7 minutes on 325 degrees. I like to add a little more of the mixture because I love the taste of it. Start adding your tomato slices and baste a little more of the mixture on top for additional flavor. Here comes my favorite part, topping it with mozzarella cheese. Toss it in the oven for another 3 to 5 minutes on 375 degrees. And there you have it, your eggplant capri. Top this off with fresh basil and enjoy. Kick back and have more than just one because one would not suffice. Thanks for watching and tune in every Tuesdays and Thursdays for new recipes. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook. Link is in the bio.